Well, another nice day in Campbell River, but it's starting to get depressing because everybody's heading out for the season. The individual that was parked here, who was a really nice guy, he left. Did he leave this morning? Wasn't that long ago. I think he left maybe this morning. This guy that was here, he left about a week ago. And of course, my neighbor Dennis and Veronica, who have helped me out so much with my boat, left this morning. Their engine wouldn't start, so they went over to repair, but they're not coming back. I didn't get to say goodbye. I was kind of figuring I would be the first one out of here, but it's not. So the only other two people I know are these two here. And I've met this individual, but I mean, I'm not sure if they're permanent around here or not. But I mean, this is the depressing part of sailing, is you meet all these great people. Veronica and Dennis are super special to me. I mean, they're not lost, they're not gone, they didn't die, they're just not here. And I didn't get to say goodbye. I was overslept, and they hauled over to the yard to get repairs, but they're not coming back here. And then he left this morning, or yesterday morning. He said, and they left a week ago, and this is, I know around in sailing, it's never really goodbye, it's see you later. But it's hard. It really is hard. When you spend several months with somebody and you get close to them, it's hard saying see you later.